Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is Joseph Andrews, written by Henry Fieldings. These are few main characters of the story. Theme of the story is how power is misused by institutions and people with money and authority. Joseph is dismissed from Lady Booby's service for disobeying her. He begins a journey during which he reunites with Fanny and Parson Adams. Later, he returned to the estate with Fanny and announced their marriage. When Lady Booby hears about the engagement, she became angry and jealous. She questions Parson Adams and calls her lawyer, Scout, to stop the marriage. Lady Booby tells Adams that he should stop matchmaking and instead focus on his duties. Adams defends Joseph, saying he is honest and hardworking. Lady Booby gets furious and started to talk bad about Fanny, calling her country wench, and says she does not allow girls like her to stay in the estate. Adam speaks in the favor of Fanny and Joseph, explains that Fanny is a good and decent girl, and he sees no fault in Joseph either. Lady Booby tries to stop the marriage by using legal technicalities. She argues that Joseph is a vagabond and cannot marry in that parish because he is not legally settled there. Adam still argues for them against Lady Booby and says that he will always support Lady in every lawful situation, and a person who serves faithfully for years gains settlement. Poverty is not a valid reason to stop a marriage. Lady Booby ordered Adams to stop publishing the band's marriage announcement. If he doesn't, she will complain to his superior and have him removed. Adams bravely replies that he will not stop doing his duty, and if he is removed, God will provide for him. She calls lawyer Scout because he had told Parson that Joseph could legally marry in the parish since he had completed 1 year of service. She accuses Scout of interfering with her servants and angry as he had given legal advice without her permission. Scout tries to defend himself. Lady Booby argues that Joseph is not settled in fact, only in law. She says, if he is not settled in fact, then he is not an inhabitant. If he is not an inhabitant, he cannot marry in that parish. Therefore, the marriage ban should not be published. She is clearly not interested in the truth or the law, she simply wants to stop the marriage. Lady Booby tells Scout that if he helps stop the marriage, she will pay him well and even give him more legal work. Scout agrees and says he is confident in the outcome if he is paid. Few 2 marks questions. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.